Hello guys, today I got myself a new big box from Ulanzi, and this is the amazing table stand, which let me show you. Looks like this. It's a one clamp stand. You can put it on your desktop and you have three arms and everything. In the box we have the main stand, which you clamp to the table by loosening this screw. Inside here we have a thread, which again, then under a hidden compartment under the main arm or stand we have another one, which in one end has this screw thread which matches the arm, and on the other side you have a 1/4 inch tripod screw hole. So these two, and then you have an amazing long arm like this, and here we have a tripod head, ball head, yep, with a quick release system. You can slide off with water level, so you know when it's in correct position. Yep. Then you have this very tight package. Here you have one arm which has a screw in this end, which is intended for the microphone microphone arm. We'll show you that later. Next one is another arm which has some threads inside, and those threads are made for the camera mount, which are hidden down here. Camera mount has these threads, the same threads as was on the arm, so you can screw it in here. And then you have a tripod. It's a big tripod screw on top, but Ulanzi has thought of that, so if you loosen this, and on the other end there's a 1/4 inch camera tripod screw. And here we go. And this is also telescopic. You can loose this one and you can take it up and secure it. Fantastic clever. Then we have one arm left. That's a 3-legged arm, which again then is of course very long. And that one also has a tripod screw on some kind of extension. And this extension can be taken off. Oh, it's very heavy. And then you have a tripod screw here as well. So that's the 3 arms and the main system, and then we have the included microphone arm, boom arm, or whatever this is called. Standard boom arm, and this one has a studio microphone holder, but inside the box there's this little square metal piece which is a cold screw, and that cold screw can be installed on this one. And there we have a cold screw for your microphone system. Excellent, at least in my case, because I don't have any microphone that will fit inside this one. So that was all that was in the box. We start with the long arm, of course, that has this table clamp, and putting it on here. I would like my camera to sit low, so I will start with the camera arm. The ball head that was included in the kit has this big thread, so then you have to flip this one back around to the big threads. there you go. And then you have the microphone and the microphone boom arm. Looking good so far, that I can say for sure. And then this one could be used for a external light or something. And here we have it. I find it pretty amazing. Let's put a camera on it and some lights, shall we? So, there you have it guys, the amazing stand from the Ulanzi with a table clamp and everything. Microphone arm, your microphone choice, camera or telephone, light stand or something else. So, that's all for me. I will provide links for it down below the video as usual, so you can click and take a look for yourselves. So then, thanks again for watching guys, see you later, goodbye. Yes, then we have the 3 arms.